What is CBD oil? Should you give it to your canine companion? Will it get your dog high? I'm Dr. Alicia and this is what you will find out in today's video, so stay tuned. When it comes to CBD oil for dogs, there's a lot of information floating around the internet and it's difficult to know what is accurate and what's not. As a dog owner, you want to do what's best for your pet to keep him happy and healthy, which leads to the question, what do I need to know about CBD oil for dogs? CBD oil, also known as cannabidiol, is a compound found in cannabis and hemp. It's essential to note that in most cases CBD oil does not contain THC, also tetrahydrocannabinol, the compound that gives marijuana its psychoactive properties. So it does not have a psychoactive effect, meaning it will not get user high. There are very big differences between the two strains of cannabis. Pet CBD oil supplements are extracted from industrial hemp plants, their flowers, leaves and stalks, which have high levels of CBD and virtually no THC. Conversely, THC with levels large enough to cause an intoxication is found in the marijuana strain, which contains very little CBD. To summarize, most CBD is extracted from hemp, not from marijuana. This difference is crucial because THC can be toxic to dogs, but CBD is safe. So always make sure you give your dog CBD made for pets with 0.3% THC or less. How does CBD affect dogs? CBD has been extensively studied in people and more recently in dogs. However, there have been research studies which show the plant's positive impact on inflammation and other ailments in humans. There have been no official major scientific studies that specifically investigate its impact on pets. It's well understood for CBD to have both anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties when given to humans. What scientists do know is that cannabinoids interact with the receptors located in the central and peripheral nervous system, gut and skin. It turns out that the endocannabinoid system, present in both human and dogs, may play a vital role in the progression of inflammation and pain in canines. What dog health problems can CBD oil treat? Currently, there has been no formal study on how CBD affects dogs. It's believed that similarly to human cases, it can treat pain, especially neuropathic pain, as well as helping to control seizures. Moreover, it can be used because of its anti-inflammatory properties, cardiac benefits, anti-nausea effects, appetite stimulation, anti-anxiety impact, and for possible anti-cancer benefits, although there is no conclusive data on this use. CBD is most used in dogs with osteoarthritis who are experiencing chronic pain from inflammation as alternative medication to non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, also known as NSAIDs. Unfortunately, this class of drugs can have a number of adverse side effects by long-term therapy. Particularly, it's especially important in older dogs or those with compromised liver or kidney function because a long-term use of NSAID is potentially dangerous, even deadly. The search for a safe treatment for pain and inflammation has been a significant priority in vet medicine. Another condition where CBD is often used is anxiety in dogs, especially for its calming and relaxing purposes. CBD can be a solution for anxiety associated with traveling, moving to a new home, or adjusting to new people or other pets in their life, fireworks, trip to the veterinarian or groomer. What are possible side effects of CBD in dogs? While there is no scientific data on the side effects of CBD usage for dogs, there are potential side effects based on how CBD affects humans. To minimize any potential side effects, make sure you are following the proper dosage. First, dry mouth. Research has shown that CBD can decrease the production of saliva. For dogs, this would manifest as an increased thirst. Second, Lowered blood pressure. High doses of CBD have been known to cause a temporary drop in blood pressure. Even though the drop is small, it might create a brief feeling of lightheadedness. Third, drowsiness. Dog owners have used CBD to treat anxiety. The calming effect of CBD can also cause slight drowsiness, especially when using higher doses. How risky is using CBD oil for dogs? The safety and risk for using CBD for dogs have not yet been researched. The US Food and Drug Administration has not approved CBD and has not issued a dosing chart. Therefore, we don't know what amount would be toxic to the animal. Any medication or supplements carries the risk of a reaction. It's always advisable when giving your dog something new to start out with small amounts and then closely monitor the effects. And always check with your veterinarian first. How do you find the best CBD oil for dogs? If you and your veterinarian decides that you should try CBD as a treatment for your dog, there are a few things to keep in mind when purchasing CBD oil. Not all oils are the same. You will want high-quality CBD oil to have a better chance of its working. Number 1. Look for organic. If the CBD oil is not organic, it should at least not contain pesticides, fungicides, or solvents. Next, ever heard that saying you get what you pay for? Higher quality and purity are usually associated with a higher cost. A cheaper option could contain toxic substances such as pesticides, herbicides, or heavy metals. Make sure your CBD oil is free of additives. Another one, get the analysis. The manufacturer should provide a certificate that certifies the amount of CBD that's in the product. Many CBD products contain only small amounts of CBD. You will also want to make sure there is a little or no THC in the product. Finally, buy CBD as a liquid. You can buy dog treats containing CBD, but the best form to administer is an oil or tincture. This way, you can adjust your dog's dose drop by drop. If you have a dog suffering with chronic pain, anxiety, or other conditions, it might be time to talk to your veterinarian about the possibility of adding a CBD oil to your companion's medication. Being able to discuss all types of treatment with your veterinarian is key, and I advise checking in with your vet before giving your pet any sort of cannabis. This goes for any other kinds of medication and supplements as well. I hope this episode will assist you in making an informed decision about CBD, as well as give you a starting point for a conversation with your vet about safe treatment options for your furry friend. That's it for today. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy the content and hit the notification bell to stay up to date. Be sure to tune in every week for new episodes that will help you become a better pet owner. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.